Ergonomic split design for typing and gaming. Move the right module out of the way and bring your mouse in close for improved endurance and more precise aim, eSports proven. Rotate the left module for optimal key coverage or to squeeze into a tight space at a LAN. Or split the modules up to 20 inches and put your stream mic, HOTAS, or mouse in the middle for easy access. Separate the modules to shoulder width for an ergonomic typing posture and add the lift kit tenting accessory to reduce forearm strain. The detachable palm supports now include all new thick cushioned palm pads for even more comfort. 100% mechanical switches for maximum performance. Genuine Cherry MX Brown Speed mechanical switches, low force, tactile feel, offer professional grade responsiveness and unmatched durability. 50 clicks. Immersive RGB lighting for a custom look. 16. 8 color per key RGB backlighting with 10 customizable effects like wave, spectrum, rebound, pulse, rain and much more. Install Lighting Expansion Pack 1 to add dual layer lighting and 2-tone effects. Smart Set Programming Engine. All 95 keys are fully programmable for complete customization. Use the dedicated SmartSet key for convenient on-the-fly remaps and macros, or use the all-new SmartSet app for special actions or to customize lighting effects. 9 available profiles with dual layers, powerful macros, quick remaps, 9 game keys, 1 millisecond response time, NKRO, game mode, much more. All profiles and settings save directly to the keyboard's 4 MB onboard memory for tournament play. 100% plug and play. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome. No special drivers required. RGB SmartSet App 3.0 for Windows and Mac available for download. Designed in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. I prefer the red to the brown. The keyboard itself is great. One of the main reasons I chose this keyboard is to remove the number pad on the right so my mouse can be closer. I am much more comfortable working with the mouse closer. I do miss the keypad, but the trade-off is worth it. I do have the second layer programmed as a number pad, but every number pad is ortho-linear where the keys are directly above each other. Even color-coding the keys and extinguishing the light on surrounding keys is still not the same. Most people will choose 7, 8, and 9 to stay the same, which makes U, I, O equals 4, 5, 6 and J, K, L equals 1, 2, 3. But to match a number pad, 0 becomes plus and space or M becomes 0. The fact that the keys below 7, 8, 9 are diagonal and to the right just isn't quite the same. And the J key has the bump, which is now the number 1 key versus the bump on the number pad is the on the 5 key. At work I have a separate number pad, but it's hard to find a convenient place to put it. I've just started using the real number row more and more.